Customer. Wondering how to add customers to your business on Navolet? Here is how. There are two ways to add customers. The first method is by sending a message to Navolet. Simply type something like this: add customer, followed by the customer name and their phone number. If you want to add multiple customers at once, place each customer on a separate line. On the free plan, you can add up to 10 customers. On the standard plan, you can add up to 50 customers. On the Pro plan, you can add unlimited customers. The second method is by importing an Excel file. To do this, ask Navolet to send you the customer import template. Navolet will send you an editable Excel file. In the file, you will see 4 columns: full name, phone number, email, and instructions. Go ahead and fill each row with your customer data. Once you are done, save the file and go back to Navolet. Upload the file, and Navolet will automatically import your customers. To confirm that your customers have been added, simply tell Navolet to list customers. You will see all your customers displayed. If you want to update any customer details, just tell Navolet what to change. For example, you can say, update customer Adepeju to Adepeju Samuel. To confirm the update, ask Navolet to list customers again, and you will see the updated name. If you try to add a customer that already exists, Navolet will notify you. It checks both the name and phone number to avoid duplicates. If the customer already exists, it will let you know. If not, it will add the new customer. You can also ask Navolet if a particular customer exists in your list, and it will respond accordingly. Another useful feature is adding customer birthdays. This helps you build stronger relationships with your customers. Navolet will remind you when it is a customer's birthday and even generate a message you can send to them. To set this up, simply tell Navolet to update the customer birthday. You only need the day and month. The year is not required. This makes it easier to collect birthday information from customers, since they may not want to share their birth year.